Hi, it's Patrick with E38. In this video, I'll show you how to configure your Emlid receiver as a network rover. First, we'll tap Correction Input. Here you'll see our source of corrections, organized under NTRIP, radios, or more advanced methods. Our network rover will utilize NTRIP corrections to achieve our centimeter level of accuracy, so these two options for NTRIP will be determined by how we are connecting to the internet. For simplicity, we recommend using the Internet over Mobile Device option to utilize the cellular connection from your phone or tablet. Then select your NTRIP profile, or create one if you haven't already. If you purchased our RTK Premium service, here's where you'll copy over your credentials. Some states have publicly available networks for free, while some charge a fee or don't offer a network to the public. See our guide for more information on the state networks. A lot of networks will require that you send your receiver's position to the provider to connect properly. Once saved, we can back out to the main receivers page. We can turn off base outputs to save some energy, since we won't be using any of the base functions here. It's also a good idea to check on the firmware your receiver is running. As of release of this video, we strongly recommend updating your RS4 to at least version 34.4, RS2s or 3s to version 33.1, and RX2s to 2.9. Renaming your receiver to something easily identifiable can also be beneficial if you'll be working near other Emlid units. That can be changed under Receiver Info by tapping on the receiver and hotspot name. After changing the name, we'll need to reconnect to the unit. Navigate to a survey project to finish our rover setup by setting the rover pole height. Tap the plus button as if to measure a point. At the top left corner of the window next to the survey settings is the pole height. Tapping there will let us adjust it. The default height is set to the Emlid pole's height of 1.8 meters. If you're using a 2 meter pole, we can change that to 2 if in meters or to 6.562 in feet. There's also a toggle to automatically add the length of the quick release adapter if we are using that. Our receiver is now configured as a network rover and we're ready to get to work. This has been Patrick with E38 Survey Solutions. Thanks for watching.